Oh, no, but I just got one. I'm scared now.
I am.
Getting on the chair.
Don't do that, Shamali. You're in a high area and you're holding something electric.
It's okay.
You're practically a conductor.
Men get strike.
You're very fucking lucky. You have rubber soles on.
I'm also lucky that the rain's not catching me.
Did you see that?
I was looking down and I
Look
saw.
that way, Shamali. I was looking.
Dude,
right,
did you just hear that? A car alarm went off.
I was looking right that way. That way, I looked that way and it like fucking flashed. It blinded me.
I saw one really strong over there. Now I'm just seeing little ones. I think it's the thunder that's more scary.
I have to poop.
Now it's raining all bad. What the fuck?
Have you ever wondered that maybe if you got struck by lightning, you come back as a zombie?
How do you think Dalton's doing? Maybe it's worse over there. They're camping in tents right now. Oh my god.
Did you see that in the corner of your eye?
I even saw the whiteness of the actual street.
Okay, I really gotta go.
Oh, I missed it.